very important development has come forward. Government recently passed a notification regarding the security, and in this notification, ISA was made in charge to record and tap and intercept the calls of civilians. And this notification was widely criticized by the media and other people who has know-how of how powers can be misused. Now this notification has been challenged under Lahore High Court. Main points of the petitions are as Fahad Saber has filed a petition through Advocate Nadeem Sarwar, Prime Minister, Federal Government, Telecommunication Authority, and others are made respondent. Section 54, under which this notification has been issued, does not yet have established rules. This is a very main important point, that only law is present, but there are no rules through which it can be implemented. Rules are very important because they describe how things can be done. It's kind of a procedure which is given in the by the law to how to work and what to do and what not to do. So it's very important that it should have rules. It says the Constitution of Pakistan provides its citizens with right of privacy and right of freedom of expression. Petitioner requested to declare this notification illegal. According to Indian Supreme Court, tapping people's phone violates their constitution. It's very pleasing to know that Indians are working on this, and they have addressed such a important and national interest issue very wisely. The court is requested to suspend the implication of said notification until the final decision on the current petition. The government should be directed to establish rules for this under PTA Act. It is a very important development and it should be taken very seriously. I hoping to see very positive results from it, and if there are rules and regulation made properly, the law will be implemented successfully and positive results will come out, and the fears which are related to this law will be lessened, because majority in every TV program and every media person and every thinker and every social activist was saying that it was a bar on citizen rights. This notification should be reconsidered wisely, and I hope the Lahore High Court will give a judgment which will be full of wisdom, and it will help to improve the implementation of law.